After discovery of electron and proton and giving the J.J. Thomson atomic model and Rutherford's atomic model, they started working out on mass number and atomic number of an atom. So they predicted what is atomic number, what is mass number. They started calculating it. So atomic number denoted with A. Atomic number is denoted with A. Atomic number means number of protons present in a neutral atom. Is called atomic number. Next, mass number. Atomic number denoted with Z. Mass number denoted with A. Mass number is a number of protons and neutrons present in an atom is called mass number. And for an element, this atomic number, mass number will be written at subscript and superscript position respectively. E refers to element, Z refers to atomic number, A refers to mass number. Like this. Here we have one misconception. That means conception is, now I have given here neutrons, but till now we are not discussed about the discovery of the neutrons, where they are located. We are not discussed actually. This atomic number, mass number, they started predicting after discovery of electron and proton. Okay, so after discovery of electron and proton, they given mass numbers with respect to hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom, they have one electron, one proton. So hydrogen atomic number became 1, mass number also became 1. So they said number of protons present in an atom is called atomic number. So in hydrogen atom we have a 1 proton, 1, fine. Mass number, also only protons are massed particle, electrons are massless particle however. So protons are 1, mass number is equal to 1. With hydrogen it is worked out very well. But when they went for helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, other atoms, when they go, atomic number they have no problem, which is coming equal to number of proton. But now mass number, initially they thought mass number is only for number of protons, not like protons plus neutron what I have written. Only consider number of proton only. For hydrogen it is worked very well, so they thought like only a proton is atomic number and that is known as a mass number. But when they went for other elements to calculate the atomic number, mass number, atomic numbers are coming as it is, what they expected that is coming. But mass number is coming near about double than what they are expecting for other atom. Always it is coming double than what they are expecting. So from that part, they come to know that there is something in the atom which has a mass other than electron and proton. For example, helium has 2 protons. If it has a 2 proton, its mass number must be 2. But helium mass number comes as a 4. It means there is a something in the atom other than electron and proton having a mass. That's what the mass number when they calculate it has come as a 4 rather than 2. So this part made the scientists to think and go for further experiment. And after some years, they discovered a third fundamental particle, that is neutron. So next, discovery of neutron. We will come back to this part after discovery of neutron. So discovery of neutron. Okay. Neutrons were discovered by Chadwick scientist, by nucleus transformation. Nucleus transformation experiment. So what is nucleus transformation experiment? One atom nucleus will be converted into another atom nucleus. It's called nuclear transformation, not atom conversion. Atom nucleus converting into another atom nucleus. In this experiment, Chadwick taken beryllium nucleus. That beryllium nucleus will have +2 charge, +4 charge, 9 AMU mass. This beryllium nucleus is bombarded with the alpha particle. Just now we discussed the alpha particle is having +2 charge, 4 AMU mass. When the beryllium nucleus is bombarded with the alpha particle, it is bombarded, they are hit with strongly. When bombarded with alpha particle, it converted into carbon nucleus having +6 charge and 4 AMU mass. Look at 4 + 2 charge became 6, not a problem. 9 + 4 supposed to be how much? 13, but how much has come here mass? Only 12. One more unit of mass is missing. That one more unit of mass has come out like this. Some unknown particle. This is actually before this unknown particle. For this unknown particle, they conducted experiments like how the electron proton, placing opaque body, placing a rotating wheel and applying magnetic field and electrical field. In the magnetic field and electrical field, this particle is not affected. Since it is not affected, they concluded it is a neutral particle and named it as a neutron. Named it as a neutron. So neutrons are neutral, having mass equal to proton mass. So what is the proton mass actually? 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Like this, neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick by the nuclear transformation experiment. So finally, how many particles are discovered? Electron, E minus, proton, P plus, neutrons, 0, no charge. Electrons charge. Electrons charge is minus 1.60 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Proton charge is plus 1.60 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Neutrons are no charge. Next, mass of the electrons, how much taken, sir? This is relatively -1, it is relatively +1. Next, mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Proton mass 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Even neutrons also 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. This is relatively taken massless. And protons and neutrons are considered relatively 1 AMU. 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg is relatively taken as a 1 AMU mass. These are the three particles is present. This electron discovered by J.J. Thomson, protons discovered by Goldstein, neutrons are discovered by Chadwick scientist. So from this they start